Hi, and welcome to Ramp. You'll start by logging into Ramp. Once you've logged in, you'll see a navigation bar on the left-hand side of the page. At the top, you can click into where it says Advisor Console to quickly toggle between your different client accounts. You will see all clients that you have been assigned against in this view. Below that, you can see the Clients page, a Team Members page, and a Refer and Earn page. At the bottom, you can see an interactive Ramp demo to help get more familiar with Ramp's product. You can also see our Accounting Partner Resource Center, our Standard Help Center, or Ramp settings at the bottom as well. Let's start by clicking into the Clients page. This is where you can see all clients that you have been assigned against. You can access the client information by clicking the Advisor Console dropdown on the left-hand navigation bar or by clicking View in Ramp on the client page. You can invite a client to join you in Ramp by clicking Add a Client in the upper right-hand corner. You'll input the client's email address and then select your desired permissions below. If you will be overseeing and administrating Ramp for their team, you will select Administrator. If you are helping with accounting and bill pay, you will select Bookkeeper and AP Clerk. If you are only helping with bill payments, you will select AP Clerk. Once you've selected the proper permissions, you will press Invite Client. The client will receive a referral email to join Ramp. If a client sends a console user request to you, your team's admin will see that reflected in their Ramp instance. They will need to assign you to the client before you see it reflected in your client's page. You can find a list of all of your team admins by navigating to the team members page in Ramp. This will show a list of all of the admins so that you know who to reach out to ensure you're assigned against the client. Clicking into the Refer and Earn page will show your firm's partner tier within Ramp, and you can track your referrals at the bottom. This will show your referral payout tracker. You can see all referrals, pending referrals, and completed referrals here. You can make a referral on this page by clicking Refer a Client. You will follow the same steps that you would follow on the client's page to refer the client to Ramp.